Cleaning Gel Universal Dust Cleaner for PC Keyboard Cleaning Card Detailing Laptop Dusting Home and Office Electronics Cleaning Kit, a natural and effective way to remove dust and dirt from your devices. Benefits. It is natural and safe. The cleaning gel is made of natural gel, not sticky to hands, smells sweet with lemon fragrance, and does not irritate the skin. It is easy and convenient. You just need to knead the cleaning gel into a ball, press it slowly into the keyboard, car vent, or other rugged surface, and then pull it out. The dust and dirt would be carried away with the cleaning gel. It is universal and reusable. The cleaning gel can be used for various devices, such as PC, laptop, camera, printer, phone, speaker, TV, and more. It can also be used repeatedly until the color turns to dark or it becomes sticky. Negatives. It is not washable and not biodegradable. The cleaning gel cannot be washed in water or disposed of in the environment. It has to be stored in a cool place and replaced with a new one when necessary. It is not effective for some surfaces and stains. The cleaning gel may not work well for some smooth or soft surfaces, such as screens, fabrics, or leather. It may also not remove some stubborn stains, such as oil, ink, or glue. It is not durable and not consistent. The cleaning gel may lose its shape, elasticity, or stickiness over time or under high temperature. It may also vary in color, texture, or smell depending on the batch. The price is $7.99.